Now at this stage I can dive in and start manipulating the parameters of the instrument that's on that particular slot. In this case it's actually a sample baseline, so we're using sampler. So press plugin macro, click the rotary in, and then I can navigate through all the different parameters using the arrows here. So we might go for example, turn the filter on. Make sure I've got the right sound slot selected. There we go. Obviously, if I wanted to, I could hold solo, tap the relevant pad, and we'll hear that in isolation. Come back to plugin macro. So we can maybe have a bit of a play with the filter cutoff, and we could record that in if we wanted to. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to press pattern, I'm going to hold shift, and I'm going to tap the duplicate button. The subtext of that is double, so I'm going to get double the length, and it just gives me more space onto which I'm going to record some automation. Okay, so when I'm ready, I've come back to the plugin, I'll just hit auto, make sure that we're looking at the cutoff.